Hey, what's up YouTube? It's me again. Alright, so I'm replacing a gas pedal on a 2002 Nissan Altima, and I'm going to show you guys how to install this. So it's three 10mm screws. This is the old one right there, the two on top. Then you got to disconnect the sensor. So you grab your flathead, and then there's a little notch on the bottom. I'll try to do that at the same time. Right under here. See, this pops out. And then when you put it back in, you push that back in. See, there's a little notch. So, here's the new one. I was getting a check engine light for accelerator pedal error code, so we're installing the new one in. Okay. Here's the new one. Plug it in.